Okay, we're going to be looking at this trigonometric function. One of the things we have going here for us is if we recognize in our differentiation rules that the derivative of cosecant, so d du of cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u cotangent u du. So we have that form here. What we have are these 7x's. So we're going to make u equal 7x. So du is going to equal 7 dx, which means that du divided by 7 equals dx. And what we're going to exploit, as we always exploit it, is the meaning of equality here. So if I rewrite this now, wherever I see 7x, I can replace it with u. And wherever I see dx, I can replace it with du divided by 7. Well, I'll bring the divide by 7 up front here. So by setting the substitution and taking the derivative, we have set things to replace directly. Now, a thing to think about in here is really we noted this form because we remembered this differentiation, and knowing our antiderivative is going to go this way. But now we have this in this form. That's going to be 3. I'll bring the 3 out front. Cosecant u cotangent u du. We know that the antiderivative of this is going to be negative cosecant u plus some arbitrary constant, right? Because there's a negative sign here that is missing in this. This is a negative. Oh, we can check ourselves. We can take a really quick derivative. The derivative of this would be negative cosecant u cotangent u. The negatives would cancel out, and that does bring us back up to here. But we started in x space, so we want to replace u with 7x, and so we get negative 3 cosecant 7x plus c. And to check that, if we take the dx of this, then we get the derivative of this, so that's going to be cosecant 7x cotangent 7x with a negative, so that's going to cancel out the negative here, times, right, because of the chain rule, the derivative of this times 7, so 21, and then the derivative of c goes away because it's a constant, and lo and behold, I am back up here. So it checks. Again, the part is starting with the derivatives we know and turning them into antiderivatives. And we're really close in this pattern here, and so we notice that in the general derivative form, 7x is in the way, and that's why I choose u as being 7x.